At SE Advantage, we know that speed to market is critical for your business. With this in mind, we'd like to demonstrate how quickly SE Advantage can get your quote into your customer's hands. Imagine, if you will, a customer, Lorem Electrical, walks up to your counter and asks for some safety switches and a panel board for a temp power job. With SE Advantage, you will be able to configure, price, quote, and even give out a submittal package within 4 minutes. I'm placing a countdown on my screen to demonstrate, and here we go. We'll start by going to the Quotes tab, and I'll choose Quick Quote because we want to do this quickly. I choose my state, and I start typing in my customer name. Notice it comes up on a pick list, and I choose that customer, which is Lorem Electrical. I'll just type in the rest of the necessary information, the city, the date, the time that we want to bid, but again, it's going to be over in 4 minutes. We also type in the name, so I'm going to say Lorem Temp Power Job, and then I'll just give today's date. And the type of job, project type, I'll go with medical, and click Save. And so it's going through making sure that everything can be shared on my branch, and we will have our quote to be able to add line items in a matter of seconds. So now I want to add a line item. I'm going to add those safety switches. I'll do HU365, and I'll say that there's 5 of them, and then click Save. These safety switches are in stock in my warehouse, but I'll mark them for rebate just a little bit later. Right now, I want to focus on that panel board. And now I'm going to go and add my panel board. So I go to Add Selector, click on Panel Board, and I want to be able to go through and choose a 120 volt system. There we go. I want to do, instead of 10K, I want to do 22K, and we're going to make it filled with 20 amp single poles. So I'm just going to go to Add My Device. It's our brand new selector. We're really liking it and having a lot of great reviews about how quickly we can input the information. So there's my 42 circuits. It'll show up on the right hand side saying 42 20 amp single pole, and I'm ready to save and submit. So I'm saving and submitting, and now it is back to my SE Advantage screen. I'm going to reload. I'm going to refresh my screen, and look at that. There are my panels. So I have my safety switches and my panels, but my safety switches are actually in stock. So I'm going to say that the SPGA rebate is required and click Update. And there we go. Now I can have one quote and one job. Now I'm going to submit the quote up for pricing. Now I'm going to put in my competitor. I'll say that Eaton is the competitor. $1 for the price. And save. And there's going to be some comments to send up to the Square D's Pricing Authority. And I'll just say, please price. And click Submit. This is real time, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to go through, and as soon as it submits up, I'll click refresh, and there we go. It is authorized. Now, again, it's a mix of dropship and rebate items. We have one authorized price, which you'll use as your base for the markup for your customer, but because most everything is in stock already, all you have to do is pay Square D $393.99, and that is for the dropship panel board. The switches are in stock. We have the items. I want to make sure we get some drawings for them as well, because we're going to hand a submittal package, and then once we have that, we can put the price and the drawings together in our submittal package. Less than a minute to go, but we absolutely can do this. We have our pricing markup. What we want to do is say we want to put a 25% markup on the job, and that will be the price to the customer. Again, one job, one price. And I'm going to choose the documents that I want to submit. And so those are all the attachments for the panel and the safety switch, and I'm going to click Create Document. What used to take hours to create a submittal document now only takes a matter of seconds. Again, ladies and gentlemen, less than 20 seconds left. Your customer is still standing at the counter, and we've gotten not only a price for them, we have a submittal package. It's been configured, and there's your bill of material. There's the price you're going to be printing out to the customer. And we also have our drawings and our literature. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Less than 4 minutes, and we were able to configure, price, quote, and deliver a submittal package to our customer. That is speed to market. That is your SE Advantage.